go, guys. Let's go. Please help me. Oh, guys, let's go. What was that? Right by the bank. Right by the bank. I don't know if he's gonna help me. I literally don't know if he's gonna help me. He's not even gonna help me, guys. What is that, guys? What the heck just happened? Hit me right by the bank. I'm gonna get some pictures and let her go. Wow, not even gonna help me. Sweet fish though. Sweet fish. Alright guys, tossed her back, got a picture of her, but she swam off great. But this is where I'm using the little thunder cricket with a little green swim bait on the end. Hit me right near shore too. I didn't even think it was a fish. But unfortunately 18 1/4 does not. It literally ties my smallest length fish on the online tournament. So hopefully this is where Brody caught his big one the other day. I wasn't filming, but he caught a 20 3/4. So hoping to catch another big one. Let's see what happens. Also, sorry about the wind noise in advance. It is super windy here today. Giant. Dude, let's go, guys. Look at that, another one. I don't think it's gonna help me. Literally don't even think it's gonna help me. There's no way. It's short and fat. Literally not even gonna help me, guys. Nope. 16 1/2. Relax. But another good one, guys. Whew. Another picture of her and let her go. Alright, guys. Another good one, but not gonna help me. See you later. Sweet, they're munching, guys. Freaking crazy, guys. Sorry about the wind noise again in advance, but that's like 2-3 casts apart. They're hitting it like right by the shore. It's so cloudy and windy they can't see me. So they're staying right close to shore. Another good one, only 16 1/4 or 16 1/2 inches. Not gonna help me, but they're munching the freaking chatterbait today. Gotta get another big one. Gotta get a 20 incher, guys. That's what I need. Big one, boys. The camera's off. Oh my god, giant. Oh my god, giant. Oh my god, giant. 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 Oh, he soaked me. Look at that thing. Look at that thing, guys. Holy crap, are they munching this thing? Oh my gosh, look at that thing. Oh, the camera was off. I literally just turned it off to restart it up, and I cast it out and ripped it through some grass. Look at that thing. Oh, he's gonna help me, I think. He's long. Holy crap, guys. I'm freaking soaked. He soaked me. Look at that thing. Holy crap, are they munching today? Whew. All right, I'm gonna get this thing on the board, get some pictures, and get it back. Alrighty guys, just caught this pig, 19-incher. Helped me out. Gonna let her back. Freaking hammered the chatterbait. There she goes. Sweet. Alrighty guys, I don't even know where I caught him. That was freaking crazy, guys. Absolutely nuts. Just destroyed the chatterbait. Whew. I like this chatterbait, I tell you what. They are destroying it right now. Okay, this is where I caught him, so let's see if there's any more big ones around here. Need another 19 or a 20-incher. And then I'll be in first place. Alright guys, sorry about the wind noise, but holy crap, there's a third one, 19-incher. We got an 18 1/4, a 19, and a 16 1/2. So that just bumped me 3/4 of an inch. I'm growing. I think I'm a 1/4 inch out of second, and then like 3/4 of an inch out of first. So gotta get another like a 20-incher. Will be freaking good. So hope you guys are enjoying today's video. It's nuts, super windy, almost raining, but I knew it'd be probably the time that they're munching. So I got like stuck in the grass, I ripped it out, and then all of a sudden I felt a bunch of weight and I set the hook and whew, biggin'. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you subscribe down below and hit the like button on this video. Let's try to catch some more. Bigot. No! 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 He came back for it too. On the fall, guys. I can't tell if he's big. He feels decent. Maybe not. Oh, he's growing. Oh, it's a big freaking pickerel, guys. Oh no. Alright. Don't break it off. Oh, that's not what I wanted to catch. Alrighty guys, we're back at the pond. I don't know how well you can hear me. Didn't film anything else, but we jumped around to some other ponds trying to find some other places to fish. Gave this lake about an hour and a half, and yeah, we're back here gonna try to catch some big ones. Brody's here, he needs 2 good ones and he'll be well in the first place. But yeah, let's see what happens, guys. Stay tuned. help me. No, 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 no. Oh, hold on. There we go. I don't think so. Yeah, it is.
Cast the right there.
They're literally hitting it right next to the bank. It's not gonna help me. No way. Dang it. $17 and a quarter. This is a totally different fish from earlier. There we go, guys. Another one. Whew. Fatty. Dang. On the freaking chatterbait. Freaking thunder cricket's taking a beating today. Sorry about the wind noise, guys, but what's going on? I'm kind of down here below the dam. Try to get out of the wind a little bit, but we're gonna call it a day here. Spent quite a few hours. We did leave it for like an hour and a half trying to find some other ponds, but we couldn't find any. We found two, but they didn't look like they had much fish in it, or if any. So then we came back, and then I caught that, 16 and a half, whatever, two and a half pounder. But I mean, awesome day. Caught 4 or 5 bass and then that big pickerel, so can't complain. Unfortunately, I'm still in third. Like I said, I have a 1/4 inch to tie for second and a 1/2 inch to tie for first, but I'll definitely be back here. I had a week off work, so I go back tomorrow, so I won't be able to fish as much, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. Peace.